Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another interesting video. And today, I am going to tell you iOS 18 official update and how to customize your iPhone. According to this iOS 18 update, so without wasting the time, let's begin the video. First, talking about lock screen. As we do commonly, press and hold lock screen, then tap on Customize, then select lock screen. Here, you can see minus signs on these two buttons. Now in iOS 18, you can change any button in place of these two from the control center. At time area, there is new color called rainbow color. You can add this color to make it more cooler lock screen. Now moving towards home screen, how to customize home screen in iOS 18. Now in this update, you can place apps anywhere on the screen without any restrictions. For example, I want to place apps here, so I can place them at this point without any restrictions. Now, the best of all features in iOS 18 to customize is Control Center. When we open Control Center, there is a whole new look from previous one. A lot of options at connectivity area. In Control Center, you can create widgets of options you want to add new things in Control Center. Now you don't need to go to settings for adding new things in Control Center. You can add by press and hold the screen, then tap on Add Controls option. So these are some customization tips for the users of iOS 18. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos like this.